Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hi everyone, Sue here from 1A Auto, and today we have a 2013 Toyota Camry in the shop, and I'm going to show you how to replace the headlight, the high beam, and the blinker bulb. If you need any parts for your car, click on the link below and head on over to 1aauto.com. We're here on the passenger side of the engine compartment, and this is the passenger headlight assembly. So if you're not changing your assemblies and you just need to change bulbs, this is the high beam. The high beam is the one closest to the engine compartment. That's the inner light. So what I'm going to do first is disconnect the socket. I'm going to push down on this tab, pull the actual socket off. Always look at the plug and make sure there's no burnt wires or something happening electrical to it, and it's not just a light. Now we'll get the actual bulb is in the assembly. We're going to turn that counterclockwise, and you're going to pull it right out. Once you feel it line up, you can see there's 3 key ways for it to line up. So we're going to turn it till they line up and then pull the bulb out. The bulb is a 9005 halogen bulb, and if you replace it, you get your new bulb. Always try not to touch the glass with your fingers, even if you have gloves on. To install it, we're going to line up those tabs again and then turn clockwise. Reattach your connector until it clicks. Low beam headlight is located right in the passenger fender well on the assembly. You can see that you have the high beam, then the low beam. Disconnect the connector. You're going to push down on that tab, pull the socket out, examine it, make sure there's nothing burnt, and then turn it counterclockwise. Pull right out. Replace your bulb. This is an H11 series. With your new bulb, try not to touch the glass. To install it, you're going to line those 3 keyways up and then turn clockwise until it locks. Take your connector, click it in. In the fender well itself area, you have the blinker and the marker bulb. They're both accessible. It's just a tight squeeze. And I'm going to say and recommend to take the actual blinker out first to get to the marker light. Turn it to unlock it in those 3 keyways. Pull the socket out with the connector attached. It's so much easier on these blinkers bulbs. And this is a 7443 amber. And you want to have an amber bulb because it is a clear lens. And most state laws will require that it be an amber bulb if it's a clear lens for turn signal. So you get your new bulb, install it. You just make sure you click it all the way down in. If you want to disconnect it, the socket from the connector, push down on this tab and pull it apart. Now you can examine each terminal end, the socket itself too, and the pigtail. Make sure we have no broken wires or a melted connector. Reconnect it. Now I'm going to leave that down because it's easier to get to that marker bulb with that out of the way. Same area, you'll feel the little socket for the marker bulb. Twist and turn, pull that right out. Now we can take this socket off the connector pigtail. So you push down on that tab and pull the socket out from the pigtail. Now we have examine the pigtail, of course. Make sure you have no corrosion, melted plastic, or broken wire. Then we have the socket. Do the same on the inside, no burnt marks. And this is just a 194 bulb. Just grab the bulb and pull it out. Sometimes you have to wiggle them. Everything looks good in there. No burnt socket. If you grab your new 194 bulb, line it up with the flat blade and the 2 tabs. Push it all the way in. I'm going to grab my connector, line up the lock tab, snap it in. Now I can put my hand up in there, find the location of it. You can see it from the side of the actual assembly. There it is. and then you're going to turn it clockwise once you line those notches up, and it will click back in. Now we can do the same with the blinker. And now we turn the blinker, put the blinker in, line up those keyways, and turn it.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at oneauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.